Head to Time under Time, Materials and Expenses to create a time entry. If a task has been assigned to you in the resource scheduler, it will appear as booked time. Click the orange arrow to turn this booked time into a time entry. Each time entry must have a project task and activity selected. Projects are made up of tasks. Activities are what you did or undertook to complete a task. Optionally, you can add a note to this time entry. Enter a start and end time or just the total duration. Then hit Enter and Submit.